just in the case for which you pled no contest, and I made findings of guilt, you have 11 separate incidences of aggravated robbery. Along with those cases, you have also robberies and kidnappings as well. And as has been pointed out already, those counts merge. But they're crimes nonetheless of which you have been found guilty. You won't be sentenced on them because of the merger, but they are crimes that you committed. It is absolutely necessary to protect the public and to punish you, because part of this is punishment. It's you must be punished for your actions, and your past actions come into play as well, as I'm certain you're aware. Now, the situation that confronts us today is, what is an appropriate sentence for someone who has gone on a crime spree? And although no one was hurt, and for that, there's some small, very small mitigation, and the amounts were not large, there's still significant crimes. I mean, to go in and threaten and rob people who are just doing their job is just so inappropriate and so contrary to what is right. And so you must receive a significant sentence for this matter. Now, based on your record, based on the fact that you're already serving a sentence, based on the fact that there are 3 separate incidences, there's 11 separate incidences in this matter, the sentence must be significant. And I am going to order the restitution, as I indicated already, $113 to Pizza Hut, $400 to Shell, $474.61 to Speedway, $102 to 7-Eleven, and $61 to Circle K. Now, as you're well aware, you could get up to 11 years for each aggravated robbery, plus an additional, I believe, 10, is that correct?
If you give him the maximum.
If I gave him the maximum amount of time. So for each count, you could receive 21 years. Do you understand that? I'm not going to give you 21 years. However, on count 1, the aggravated robbery, I sentence you to 8 years. On count 3, 8 years. On count 7, 8 years. On count 11, 8 years. On count 13, 8 years. On count 16, 8 years. On count 18, 8 years. On count 21, 8 years. On count 24, 8 years. On count 27, 8 years. On count 30, 8 years. Counts 1, 3, 7, and 11, and 13 will be served concurrently to each other. Counts 16, 18, 21, 24, 27, and 30 will be served concurrent, but those will be served consecutively. So what that means is it is an aggregate sentence of 16 years. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
And it will be served consecutively to your case in Lake County, case number CR 000326. Upon your release from prison on each of those counts, you'll be subject to 5 years post-release control, and that's mandatory. If you violate post-release control, the parole board has the authority to impose up to 1/2 the original sentence imposed. And if while you're on post-release control you fail to report to your parole officer, you could be charged with escape, which is a felony. You will be responsible for the cost and fines. At the time of your receipt to the institution, you can make a motion to have some kind of payment plan made so that your commissary is not depleted. And you pled no contest. You have the right to appeal this. Do you wish to do so, sir?
Absolutely, ma'am.
Do you have the money to hire a lawyer?
No, ma'am.
Would you like the court to appoint a lawyer to represent you and prepare a transcript at state's expense?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, the state will do that. You'll hear from the appointed lawyer at the when they perfect your appeal. All right, sir? Anything further, Mr. Shaughnessy?
No, Your Honor.
Anything further on behalf of the state?
No, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.